Hello guys, this is Cedric again to show you my DXL Sniper bot, the bot that will help you to enter the very hyped pre-sales. And using also a multi-wallet management so you can enter more than the maximum contribution per user. So how it works? Let's try immediately, yeah? So I created a pre-sale here. The name is Coyote, like the bot. So you can also find my Telegram and my Discord here and in the description of the video if you need some more information about this bot. So how it works, it's very easy to use, like just some key press. You just have to click the testnet or the mainnet. So this presale, I created it on the testnet just for this video. So I press 1 enter. It will list all my wallets I set up before in the configuration file. So I have set up 3 wallets and I want to buy 0.1 BNB with my 3 wallets. So next the bot asks what is the next action I want to do. So I want to snap the presale, I press 1. And then the bot asks me the DXL contract address. So it's very easy. I just have to copy, paste, and boom, already the 3TX. You see how fast it is. And success, the confirmation is success. So now you will see here, as soon as the block is mined, the contribution should increase. So just have to wait just a second, a few seconds. Not yet. Not yet. Ah, voila, it's done. So the presale take in consideration my contribution. So I have also my 3 wallets here open. So I can just refresh the page of my first wallet and I can see my transaction was done 36 seconds ago in the block 291 at the end. We can check also the TX. So it's value 0.1. It's correct. I also have this address. I can refresh. So I have made one same block 291 and my third wallet up. Let's refresh. 1 minute ago in the block 291 and we can see also the TX 98. It's my third one. This one, the TX is FCE. It's my second one. And this one, the TX is A4D. It's my first one. Okay, so now I'm in the presale. That's good. Very good. What can we do next? So the next step, of course, we can wait for the end of the presale, but before the end of the presale, what we can do is already approve the token for the selling in PancakeSwap. So you don't have to waste time with this step in PancakeSwap. You know, when you are in PancakeSwap, you have to approve the token before you can swap it. So with the auto approve function, you don't have to approve anymore. You just click to approve token, and here you enter the token address. So you just copy here, enter the token address, paste, enter, and now the bot will auto approve the token. So just have to wait. It's okay, confirm. We can also check again here, and we have 6 seconds ago this TX. So it's approved the token. It's done. So now my 3 wallets have the token approved. I can sell the token directly. So now how to get the wallet, the token very quickly? It's this one, sorry. So at the end of the presale, I will cut down now the video, and at the end of the presale, I will come back to the video. So welcome back. We are back on the video. The presale is finished. Now the developer need to deposit the token. So now we have the claim token function. What we can do is claim the token directly in the bot. So we click 3 and we enter the presale contract address. Up here, paste, enter, and now we are claiming the token for the whole wallet. Let's wait just a second, confirm. So now if I check in my MetaMask, we can see, so I go to the wallet, So it's this one, demo number 1, assets. So I will add the token, up, add the token here, 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 and I can see I have the balance. I have 200. This is, and if I go to my second wallet, demo 2, same, add the token here, and I can also see I have 200 coyotes, and same for the number 3. I can see in my MetaMask, if I add the token, it's already inside, same here. So the bots have these 3 functions. We can snipe the pre-sale, we can approve the token, we can claim the token. So we can do exactly what we can do on the DXL interface, but so much faster and with the multi-wallet management. So that means you can really buy much more tokens than you can do manually, because manually you don't even have time to make one. So well, this bot is available. You can find my contacts directly in the description of this video. I wish you good luck for your next pre-sales, and bye bye.